This is Abdullah Door Kneader AE390, the latest high top model of 3.5 kg, being checked for Daraz order. This is the shipping label. 17th April 2025. We are Orion Engineering Company. This is the machine. It comes with a plastic blade, a measuring flask, warranty booklet, and a metal blade, which is already installed inside. This is the carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top for safe packaging. You can see we have checked the machine. It is absolutely okay from all the sides. This is the back side. This is the other side. You can see from the bottom there are no damages. थोड़ी देर रखा करो ना, कॉर्नर हटा लेते हैं. Now we will start the machine and check it's working. The machine is started. You can see the noise level is quite low. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. Max capacity of kneaded dough is 3.5 kg. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. We are Orion Engineering Company in Karachi. Please give review when the item is delivered. Please attach the pictures of the received machine in the review. Also like our YouTube video, comment on it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. The machine is about to stop automatically. There you can see the machine has stopped, so it is working absolutely okay. And now we will pack it in its genuine carton and then brown sheet and bubble wrap, and then apply fragile stickers. These are the fragile stickers as per Daraz packaging guidelines. All the items are being placed inside the stainless steel tub of the machine, and now the checked machine is being packed in its genuine carton with thermopore packing inside. To read the instruction manual before first use, so that you know how to correctly use this machine. We make these complete packing and checking videos so that we have an evidence that we have packed a brand new working machine without any damages for this particular Daraz order. The brown sheet packing is almost complete now, and now it will be packed in bubble wrap. ग्रैंड जो ये इस तरफ से एक्स्ट्रा होता है ना, उसको काट लिया थोड़ा सा, पीसेस पड़े रहेंगे, सही है। तो छोटी चीज़ों में वो इस्तेमाल हो जाएगा किसी में, वरना साइड से वैसे ही इतना वो हो जाता है, मोटा हो जाता है। ठीक है, अब आइंदा से काट के रखना। Packing and bubble wrap is now complete, and now we will paste the shipping label and fragile stickers on it. So the shipping label, yellow. Thank you. Do not forget to give review on Daraz with pictures.